The Cygnus Ultrasonic Thickness Gauge is one of the multiple external peripherals that can be integrated with the Blueye X3. This combination creates an excellent tool for underwater thickness measurements. With the simple mechanical integration of the thickness gauge, the Mini ROV is uncomplicated to handle. Integration of the thickness gauge to our own operative system provides the operator to get thickness readings without additional software or computers. Blueye X3's hydrodynamic design is maintained. This ensures great stability and easy maneuvering. With the Cygnus probe handler, the Mini ROV is capable of surveying both steep and curved surfaces. The probe is capable of taking measurements through coatings and marine growth. Live thickness readings are displayed in the app. The operator is able to observe the probe and values on the same screen, optimizing remote inspections. The software allows you to choose materials of different sound velocities for the inspection. Thickness measurements with the Blueye X3 are making underwater inspections easier. This simplifies the inspections of areas that are deemed unreachable to heavy ROVs and divers. Learn more on BlueyeRobotics.com.